Alright guys, so for this video I want to talk about my Face by Shana products. I already spoke about my glow combo with the Jeffree Star plus Jeffree Star Eclipse plus my Face by Shana Amber Glow. Now what you don't know, well you probably know for those who are Jamaican, but they make other things. They make their own lippies. Some of you don't know, but they have other things. They have their own lippies, foundation, powder. They have their own makeup line. So the Amber Glow is definitely one of my faves, and another one of my faves is their camouflage foundation. I'm in the color Coffee Bean, and their Matte Me powder. So I'm not wearing this today, I'm not wearing that today. I am wearing this, the Matte Me powder, and I'm in the shade Matte Cocoa. Now I don't know, like last week I spoke about Your True Shade being a Jamaican owned Jamaican black owned makeup brand, and now I'm speaking about about Face by Shana, aka All Dolled Up Cosmetics, aka I Am Shana Dolled Up. It's owned by Shana. She is located at Bargain Mall. She did not ask me to do this video, but when me see my girl them a step up, they say anything we can do for help, it's going to be done. I'm just blood clean still with this. You see them something here, them bad. They are absolutely amazing. Their camouflage foundation covers everything, and I do not need a lot. Now I don't know if Shana knows this, but when I had my class a couple years, I think it was a year ago or two, was it a year ago or 2 years ago, I don't know. When I had my class, I actually bought a couple of these to use for my classes because I didn't have enough foundation, so I went in and I bought. Now since the class, I still have some of those foundations left, and some of them finished right now, but I have them still there in my kit. Let me just say, these are absolutely kit worthy. These are absolutely kit worthy, and and I'm not shading no Jamaican company, but a lot of times when you hear about Jamaican companies, we think that they must like it just look catch up and it's not professionally done, and that's not the case. These are A1 products. These are A1 products. These Face by Shana products are absolutely amazing. Covers everything, and you do this is full ass coverage. This is like dead ass full coverage, boo. Dead ass full coverage. Dead ass full coverage. I'm practicing for when I go to New York next year. Dead ass full coverage. But it doesn't have to be full coverage for you if you don't require a lot of coverage. All you have to do is go in a little bit, mist your brush it as a Fix Plus or any setting spray, whatever, then you apply and it will share it out for you. I'm giving you tips, boo, and tricks, henty. Then with their Matte Me powder, it is pressed, it's a pressed powder. It is easy to use because obviously it's a pressed powder, and it's just, it's like I'm taking forever to hit pan, and I've been using this longer than I've been using the Face by Shana, using the camouflage, and I have hit pan on the camouflage. Let me see how much. Oh, it is 13 grams, so 0.46 ounce is 0.42 ounce. Oh, but I guess I use more of the foundation, you see. That's pan. But I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it so much. You guys have no idea what these products are doing for me. They cover a lot, and I don't need a lot for them to be covered. I really don't. Now I use these almost the same, but I use the powder more because sometimes I go between foundation, because if I'm filming for Fontana, I use products from Fontana, so I don't need to go with this. But because I don't have any powder from Fontana, I always use this. It works amazingly well over cream or liquid foundation. It is just, it's very, very high quality. It's extremely high quality. It is definitely worth the price point, whatever price point she has it as. It's just amazing, and I stand by these. I really do. So the Matte Me powder, A1 killer, and if you do not have a lot of imperfections, this can be used as a light sheer coverage for a foundation. Sheer though, not if you're just running on the road, I want to stay a little bit matte, apply some primer, but not a lot. Apply, if you're going to apply a mattifying primer, apply it in the areas that you normally get oily, and then just dust this all over. You just put on a Matte Me powder and you're good to go. You just want a sheer coverage, something light, nothing too heavy, but just to cover up some spots but still look natural. Now if you want to achieve the same look, you can definitely use this, but use the tip as I said before. Don't use a flat brush either. Use a brush. There's a brush in a Dipped in Elegance kit, and the bristles are kind of long. Use that brush. So you use that brush and then use that brush, get a little bit, spritz it with Fix Plus or whatever, any setting spray, whatever, then you apply, and it applies sheer. And then you can just go over and set it with this. If you can, if you don't want it, that's fine. But in Jamaica, I recommend you set, because it gets really hot out here. If you want full coverage, you go in with a flat brush, a dense brush, and you go in and you apply bubble and you work, hunty, work. I've used this in my kit to apply as foundation. I use it as concealer. I use it as to do my highlighting and low lighting. I've used it to do brows. But that's just me. As an artist, I learned how to make certain products versatile, because you know, I'm just saying, you gotta think on your feet. If I'm out of something like eyebrow, think, and this has really helped me in my kit, as well as just me just living. It's I'm so happy for my girls. Oh my gosh, I feel so happy for my girls. Yo, we are doing it, you know. We are doing the darn thing. And I have to shout out Shana, because she has been, me know Shana from Shana there, what she did there. You know me at do Shana from the day of the mall, the man. It started with Byron's Plaza. I know Shana from she did Byron's Plaza in a one little area. You me I tell you? From them time that I was at Shana's launch when she had it. I've known her for a really long time, and I got introduced to her through Rossi Moda. It's a jewelry company. She owns her own jewelry company as well, and we just keep the link, and we've been supporting each other. She has gotten brushes, she has our new fitness style of our new fitness belt, and we've just been supporting each other. And I just feel same thing with Your True Shade. We've just been supporting each other. She has products from B.O.M.B. I have products from Your True Shade, and I just I'm getting, oh god, cold bump. I wish you guys could say this, cold bumper wash me. In Jamaica we say cold bumper wash me, but you guys say goosebumps. But cold bumper wash me when I talk. We don't ever make anybody think, don't ever make anybody tell you that there is no camaraderie in the beauty industry. I feel that way as well, especially with certain influencers, let me just say that. But there is camaraderie and there is support. And Shana, All Dolled Up Cosmetics, I am Shana Dolled Up, Face by Shana, Lip is by Shana. She's doing the darn thing. And she's right here in Jamaica. Like, she's not there foreign, she's there yassa. Yassa she there. I know, so with the import tax and them shit, they rough pan way. It's very hard to get products here in Jamaica, and for her to be doing it at such a low price point, on a figure props. God saying on a figure props. And support your own, support us. And it feels so good. I feel like my camera lean. Yeah, I just feel so good. I feel happy for her. I feel like that's my, I feel like I'm saying, oh, that's my baby. Go girl. I'm so proud of her. That's my baby. I'm so proud of her. That's how I feel, like a proud mother. But yeah, as I said, they didn't ask me to make this video. She never said lyric and make this. She did not. But when something is good, you have to let the world know about that. This is where it is at. So that's it for this video, you guys. I'll talk to you in the next one. Don't forget about my Florida makeup classes. I'll be having makeup classes in Tamarack, Florida, and it's from September 7th through to the 9th. I have all the information on my LyricRochester website, lyrichrochester.com. Now until the 1st of August, you get a discount. You get $100 off. But after the 1st of August, that $100 off special goes back on, and the full price is all that will be available. For the first 10 students, you get a free Dipped in Elegance brush set. That's a 10-piece brush set, absolutely free, just because you're the first 10 to register. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. All the students who attend, by the way, they get goodie bags, and goodie bags have products from Beauty Blender, Juvia's Place, Glam by Isaken, Brush Folio, so and P.O.M.B by Lyric will be sponsoring, as well as Shades by Gal will be sponsoring. So guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Face by Shana, Lip is by Shana, I am Shana Dolled Up, All Dolled Up Cosmetics. The thing turn up, that me I say. That's me I say. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.